guys. Sarap dito mag-check-in. Pumunta kayo ng Baguio, dito kayo pumunta. Makaka-relax talaga kayo. Malaki yung place. 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Yan ang kanilang dining. Ito naman yung meron naman silang 2 bunks bed here. The kitchen for 2 packs. Lahat magagamit nyo dito na cooking utensil, may pre-water kayo, tea, yan, may microwave, may electric kettle, may bread toaster. Kompleto lahat yung gamit. 2 bath to, oh. Laki ng inyong refrigerator. Napakaganda po ng place at malamig. Ito po kanilang dining. This is the master bedroom. A California king size bed for a couple. Yung may baby sila. Malaki po yan. Yan. Baby po yan. Then kung nainitan kayo, may ventilador. This is the master bedroom. Hot and cold shower. The big bathroom here. The master bedroom. You have the toiletries. For one night, you have 2 towels, and then they have the toiletries. Then, dito yung mga sleeper nila para komportable kayo kapag nandito. Yan po, kanilang napakaluwang na master bedroom. Then, this is na sala. Actually, meron sila, business permit. Kumbaga, meron sila talagang, meron sila sa tourism. Ito kanilang sala. Yan. Then, may view kayo dito. Gated po yan, 24/7, may guardia po dyan. Accessible po sila, may Pizza Hut, 7-Eleven, bank, massage, grocery, and then church. This is another bedroom here with bounce bed, single and a double mattress. Then they have an extra bed. May view din. Ayan. Maganda po dito talaga pong masarap mag-unwind po. Malinis. Gated po siya. May card. Maganda po talaga siya. Kung kayo po mag-stay din. Meron pong 24/7 na guard. Meron siyang Wi-Fi. Ayan. That's today for today. Hope na maganda po dito mag-staycation. Hanapin niyo po ang M&M Residence. Luwang po talaga. As in, napakalaki po na yun. Tahimik po dito. It's a private place po and secure. See you there po. Book na po kayo sa M&M Residence. God bless po. See you. God bless.